Hello everyone, and welcome to a tropical weather outlook for August 11th of 2025. And so far in the Atlantic, there is 3 areas of interest which will all have low changes of development at this time. Disturbance 3 looks like it won't make it. And also, we also have Tropical Storm Erin in the Atlantic, just being north of the Caribbean Ocean. Henriette and Evo in the Eastern Pacific, and Portal also in the West Pacific also. But the main feature so far is Tropical Storm Erin, which is forecast to become a Category 3 major hurricane and could approach Category 4 if possible. But so far, not really. It won't be affecting the Caribbean islands or the Bahamas. But you do have to keep an eye out for Bermuda just to see how close it gets to the island. Canada, you also might want to be watching out on this, and just in case if it decides to stand by you. And stay safe, everyone, and see you in the next update.